a good strong line, rear back and let it go. Make sure you set that hook, reel her in nice and...
Hey guys, it's Caden Hudson here at Tightline Fishing. So Chris decided to go out to the lake and try to go catch some fish. It was some pretty cold conditions the day that he went out. Here was his success.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
So as you can see, he blanked out on the lake. So what he did was he ended up coming back to the house. We decided to go out to our pond that we have out in the backyard, load up some rods and reels, and see if we had any better luck. So here's the video that we ended up shooting.
Hey, Shadelicious. Spinnerbait. Surely one of these three will catch something.
Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes.
One thing I hate about braided line.
Watching the ships roll in, and I watch them roll away again. So I'm gonna sit on the dock of the bay and watch the tide roll away. I'm gonna sit on the dock of the bay and waste my time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay. I have nothing to live for, and looks like nothing's gonna come my way. So I'm gonna sit on the dock of the bay and watch the tide roll away. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on the dock of the bay and waste my time.
What are you doing, buddy? We didn't catch fish. Can you believe that? I know, it's crazy. We were at our own pond too. Hi, buddy. Hi, big dog.
I'm Chris Hudson with Tightline Fishing. Thank you so much for watching our video. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Got a lot of good videos coming out.